Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantab Publishers video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear students, you must have with you Class 3 English textbook, workbook, resource pack and summer pack. Resource pack is for parents and teachers guidance. You can also download it from Cantab Publishers official website. We are going to start our lesson from Unit 4. I am a Pakistani. Our topic is writing, listening and speaking. SLOs of this lesson are: develop critical thinking skills, write simple descriptive, narrative and expository paragraph. Page number 28 of your textbook, the critical thinking. Make a group of 4 in your class and ask your group members the following questions. What is your date of birth? When did Pakistan come into being? How old are you? How old is Pakistan? You have to do this activity with your classmates. You can do this activity at your home with siblings, with your parents, your cousins, your friends. You can do it with anyone. Just ask these 4 questions. And the 5th is 612. How many rooms are there in your home? How many provinces are there in Pakistan? The writing activity we have here. Label various provinces of Pakistan on the map. Okay, here we have Sindh, the Balochistan. बलोचिस्तान क्या है हमारा? बहुत बड़ा है. सारा इलाका आपका बलोचिस्तान है, जितना भी ये नजर आ रहा है इतना. And the Punjab here. This is KP, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and this one is Jammu and Kashmir. Question 2. Draw the picture of Pakistani flag and color it. Write what you like in your country, for example, flowers, sweets, shop, fruits, gardens, schools, children, etc. All the foods, flowers, sweets, whatever you like of your country, you can write about it and draw the flag of it and color it. This is your class tag from workbook. Activity of listening and speaking. You can see the Islamic Iqbal, flag and the Qaeda-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. You can see the different cultures here, which is representing by the boys here, who is in different dresses. So let's see here. Father should tell the child about some great heroes of Pakistan who sacrificed their lives for motherland. Ask him or what she can do for his or her country. The dialogue below can be used as a model too. Father, my dear children, how much do you love Pakistan? Hashir, Father, I love Pakistan very much. Fatima, Baba, I love Pakistan more than Hashir. Father says, well, how will you both show your love? Hashir, Father, I will never pollute the environment of my country. I will keep it clean. Fatma says, Baba, I will work hard for the progress of my country. Father, good, my children. So this can be the dialogue between the children and their father about their beloved country, Pakistan. This is also your class task from workbook, page number 21. Tell the name of the place you have visited in Pakistan. Also write at least 5 sentences about the beautiful scenery and weather of that area. आपने उस जगह का नाम लिखना है पाकिस्तान की जहाँ पर आपने विजिट किया हो, और एटलीस्ट आपने 5 सेंटेंसेस लिखने हैं उसकी खूबसूरती के बारे में, जो आपने खूबसूरत सीनरीज वहाँ पर देखी, व्यूज़ देखी और वहाँ का वेदर भी, उसके बारे में आपने एटलीस्ट 5 सेंटेंसेस लिखने हैं. दिस इज योर होमवर्क फ्रॉम समर पैक. राइट few sentences about your country. Tell from which SL this question has been taken. आपने कुछ सेंटेंसेस लिखने हैं अब अपनी कंट्री पाकिस्तान के बारे में. और एक्टिविटी है सी द कलर्ड मैप ऑफ पाकिस्तान फर्स्ट एंड देन ड्रॉ इट बिलो. आपने पाकिस्तान का मैप देखना है और इसको यहाँ पर ड्रॉ करना है. This is also your homework from summer pack, page number 35. Write a simple descriptive paragraph about the people of all provinces of Pakistan. Descriptive मतलब डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स आपने यूज करने हैं जिसको हम कहते हैं एडजेक्टिव्स. कलर, साइज, स्मेल, क्वालिटी, मटेरियल सब आ जाता है इसमें. जैसे कि येलो कलर हो गया, बिग आपका साइज हो गया, स्वीट आपका टेस्ट भी हो सकता है और स्मेल भी हो सकता है, गुड आपकी क्वालिटी हो गई. तो इस तरह के वर्ड्स आपने डिस्क्रिप्टिव वर्ड्स यूज करके अपने मुल्क के 4 प्रोविंसेस के लोगों के बारे में लिखना है. वो लोग कैसे दिखते हैं, क्या पहनते हैं, क्या खाते हैं. फ्यू सेंटेंसेस लिखने हैं, सिंपल डिस्क्रिप्टिव पैराग्राफ लिखना है. डिस्क्रिप्टिव में ये सारे आपके एडजेक्टिव्स आ जाएंगे. आपने ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा एडजेक्टिव्स यूज करने हैं पीपल को डिस्क्राइब करने में सारे प्रोविंसेस से. I hope you have enjoyed my lesson. Thank you.